Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about how to make wax seals. I picked up wax sealing when I saw a video on TikTok of a girl doing wax sealing, and I thought it was very relaxing to watch, and I started to do it myself, and it was just as relaxing and rewarding to do it myself. To make wax seals, you're going to need stamps. I get my stamps off Amazon in 6-packs, and they also come with these stems, which are all interchangeable with all the stamps that I get. The first thing you're going to need is a candle, some spoons to melt your wax in, a stone cutting board, or these coasters that I got off Amazon, a toothpick, and a lighter, and most importantly, wax. There are many different types of wax. The two types that I have are the stars and the octagons. They also come in stick form. When picking out wax, if you're using the octagons, you want to use 4 or 5 of them. And if you're using the stars, which are a little bit bigger, you want to use 3. Melting is the longest part. It takes some patience. You can use a toothpick to push down the unmelted bits to speed things up. And when you're all melted, you can either stir it or just pour it out like I do. I think it makes a more interesting design if you don't stir it. When placing the stamp down, you want to be gentle and you don't want to press too hard. The weight of the stamp should do the work for you. I always like to look at the back because they make cool designs as well. The one thing I like about making wax seals is the fact that you can mix the same colors and the design will turn out different every time. I'm going to show you if I use the same colors twice, the design's still going to come out differently and unique every time. There are different ways you can pour out the wax. You can either let it pour out the center, or you can move the spoon around and create swirls and patterns. So now I'm going to show you how to make colors with mica powder. And it's mostly just a shiny powder that you can put in the wax to change its color, and I use it to make a base to put other wax into it. This is Mystic Blue, and I added it into black because I think it looks best in black. Then I added some purple and red octagons. And then once that's melted, you can just pour it out. And now I'm going to show you how to make your own wax. The first thing you're going to do is use some hot glue, and you're going to melt that. And then once that's melted, you're going to put beeswax in. And then after that's melted, you're going to put mica powder in. You can put as much as you want in there. It depends on how pigmented you want it to be. You might want to heat this up as you mix it so it doesn't get chunky. It is going to be thicker than normal wax, and it takes a little bit longer to pour out of the spoon, but it does take longer to solidify, so you have some time. You might need to press a little harder with the stamp. This method is a little bit harder, but it's definitely worth it. With this mixture, I put too much beeswax in, and it got stuck in the spoon, but that's okay. You can just get a toothpick. I have a spatula here, but you can just get a toothpick and get the wax out, and then press it, and you should be good. And now for the best part, the scraps. So I like to save what's left in the spoon, and then later I like to melt it all down into a scrap seal. So you just put all of the little scraps in the spoon and melt it together, and it turns out into a really pretty design. And it's also really fun to watch. So thank you for watching my wax sealing tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe you'll think about adopting wax sealing as a new hobby. Thanks for watching!